Breakdown lovers! Welcome back. We're here, North Valley Forge. Been on my holidays, haven't I? Over at Greece. Nice time and all. We're now alright though for this little bloody German kid giving it Mama, Papa, Mama. While I'm trying to get slowly bevied, you know, doing my bloody helmeting, little helmet. Anyway, so you show you what we're on with today. So we've got some 16mm forest bar. We've pointed them in that machine over there. And we're just going to warm them up a bit. So press them here. We make these lovely little spikes for some gates that we've just gone way downstairs. So we've got a few of them going on here. Also, I've got a bit of 30mm bar for a guy that wants some wheels making for a bit of a cart. So we've got this thing going on here. I've just given him a bit of an head start on that. Give that a bit of a... So they want some about 10-inch OD. We're going to pull them around a little bit like that. And then they come out like this. So he wants them, he's going to make some spokes and something. For my mate Frank there. Also I've got some spindles. I've got all sorts of 16mm bar, we can do them out of 12s, 20s, whatever, but you haven't seen this one yet. What we do is warm them up to a certain point, putting them in on diamond, and if you look there, rolls them like that. Just reset that to 0. I'll show you another one. It's got a bit of a groove line inside it there. So we've obviously put these through the machine. They've got 16mm groove, double groove, plain, edge hammered. Same again. In there like that. It's all worked out pretty well. And what we do with it, we'll let them cool down for a bit. So you can't do them hot because it won't put an even twist in it. We'll cool these off a bit. And then we're going to twist these up. Twisting that, so we've got double groove, 16mm, plain, single groove there, and then what we do is bring them over here. Oh, that's that gate I finished off just before I went on the holidays. That's a single gate there. Long drive gates. So you get these bushes, put them up to a twist, a bit of a weld on, and then polish them off, and that's what they look like. So you've got these, you can put another twist in there. For all your gates and railings and handrail needs, get yourself down here to North Valley Forge and make it Bob Swift, I tell you.